Well, yung lakas ng back. Lucalberto. Lucalberto.
Hello mga dudong, mga inday! Welcome to my channel, ang Dude Store ta. Karon, sabay ta, mananaw ta og volleyball sa Governors Cup 2022 Championship Game to be played between RPVA and Talaingod. Tara, mananaw ta, dinhilang sa Dude Store ta. Tara!
Good luck, players!
And this is the set number 1 for the championship match between RPVA Tagum and Talaingod Rainbow Wakandas. You're set to go for the set number 1. Wakandas on top on left. Number 2, you see that? Binalik ng Talaingod. Tagum yung attack. Tagum choose for Talaingod. The attack on the left. Go to number 2.
Still adjusting.
Better reception. Want to play? Yes!
Go Wakandas.
That was a smart play from the team captain of Wakandas. Better reception from Tago. Where you attack? Coverage here from Talaingod. You attack from the left. Want to
Intense laro. Umiinit na. For Talaingod. 1 for RPVA Tagum.
You know? Not only RPVA Tagum, Gio.
Hit at back row.
For reception. Throwing one second to the corner. Talaingod. May goal.
Napalakas na naman po. Good on.
Nice one!
This number 2.
It's inside.
Now serving for Talaingod, Lucalberto. Better reception from Tago. Will attack. Reception from the right. Coverage here there for Tago. Back row hit from Royo. And the coverage. As expected from both teams. Good reception from the middle. And again, the lead is still serving Royo. Better reception from Talaingod. Will attack from the left. Coverage right there. Let's see. A nice effort. Better reception from Tago. They will attack from the left. Coverage there for Talaingod. They will give a free ball. Let's see what will happen.
Painit ng painit ang labanan.
Now serving.
Nga nasa ako ang
The reception. Talaingod. Easy dog. 21. The coverage is there. Talaingod to the left. The better is still there. Well, you will attack from the back.
Lamang ng 2 puntos ang RPVA Tagum City.
Still serving. Artelaco. From the right. Lakers. Coverage. After committing 2 consecutive errors. Better service from him. So yun na natin agad from the back.
Royo.
Now serving for Tagum, team captain Magto. Talaingod. Reception is there. Tagum latak.
Wakandas.
Still serving Magto.
A score of 8 for Rainbow Wakandas, 10 for RPVA Tagum City.
Yung sisa to middle.
8 Rainbow Wakandas.
Now serving jersey number 21. Talaingod will attack on the right. The better is there from Tagum. Will attack on the middle. Coverage return for Tago. They will give a free ball.
Buhay pang bola.
Royal attack.
Hindi nakahabol.
Maglata naman na yun.
Wala ko suka yung mapaalot raw.
Hindi, wala ko.
Good serve from Talaino. Royal attack. Giles. Dinalik. Tago will give a free ball. For reception. Diyan na ka agad.
Malakas ang bola ni jersey number
Gio. Attack from the middle.
13. RPBA 9.
Another attack error. Still serving. Gio for RPBA Tago. Talaino attack from the left.
It's a check ball.
French rin eh.
Reception is there.
Punta lang na sa baba.
From the middle, miscommunication. Jersey number 2, blockers there. From the back, reception. Coverage is there for Tago. Talaino will attack from the left. And
So, LGBTQ champion.
for reception from Tago. They will give now 15 serving 11. For reception from Talaino, they will attack from the right. It's Talaino. Tago will give a free ball. They will attack now from the left.
Score of 12 for Talaino, 15 for RPBA. The LGBTQ for this 2022 governor.
Tago will attack from the middle. Team captain. Coverage is there for Talaino. They will attack. Libero is your target. There you go. Return to the center. Attack from the back.
Hoy!
Talaino will attack from the left. Coverage is there. At the left. Michael Black. 15.
Next service, jersey number 2.
Royal.
Pinalo ni Royo.
Smart hitting from Royal. RPBA Tago. Talaino will attack from the right.
Oh, it's a net violation.
Now it's cut down to 2. Talaino is training to Tago. And at the service.
Ang mga astig ng Davao del Norte.
Back from the middle.
The team 17, RPBA 15, Rainbow Wakandas.
Down for RPBA Tago.
Nice service.
Talaino.
Ayun again. Isang puntos na lamang ang hahabulin ng Kalainod Wakandas sa RPBA.
Tago will attack from the left.
Nun di magto.
Captain Magto. He will attack from the left. Easily down by Royo. Tago will attack.
Still buhay kang bola.
Bola. Tago will attack again from the back row. Royo. Coverage is there. 1-2 play. Tago will give a free ball. Talaino will attack from the left. Down by Arquilahon. Tago will attack.
Good first ball.
There's number 2.
Now
Here's the
it's the ball.
Not on the middle.
Okay, buhay na buhay kang bola.
Tago will attack again.
Nice feed from Lacaverte. Nagbabantay si Nundi Magto sa hulog ng bola ni Jomar Leyson. Jomar again hits the ball.
Excellent for defense from both teams. After a very long rally. Now serving Magto for RPBA. With the reception from Talaino. He will attack from the right.
It's away.
Talaino. Nice service from Magto. Talainod will attack on the left.
Pinulong ang bola that gives a score for Talainod.
Asante.
17 for Talainod, 21 for RPBA Sagong
Hindi
City.
na nakauna. Hindi na napadulong na sa men's game.
Yes. What you play? Lakers play.
Hindi na
Sa
nakauna.
Talainod.
The lead is cut down to 3. Tagum will attack from the right. Smart hitting was there.
Bukid man.
Is it received? Jersey number 2.
Bukid ang Talainod.
Rainbow Wakandas, 22 RPBA.
Very good serve from Talainod. Roy attack, Matisilidab. Lacabert. Isilidab by Artilahon. Roy will attack.
Outside again! The hit of Royo is outside. 22 for RPBA, 20 for Rainbow Wakandas.
Still serving, team captain of Talainod.
Brunel Oliva.
Attack from the leader. Lacabert.
Again for Loca Verde that gives a score of 23 for RPBA, 20 for Talainod, Rainbow Wakandas.
Talainod. Espanola. G. Pangubidan. Pablo Milata. Royo. And yes, it's touchdown from Royo.
25 RPBA, 20 Rainbow Wakanda. And
Tagum Royo. Coverage is there. Lacabert. Isilidab.
score for Rainbow Wakanda.
Still serving, Layson. Royo will attack. Lakers is there. Pistol down, Lacaberte. Lakers is also there. Royo will attack again. Lakers is there. Lacaberte.
It's a hit. Hard hit.
And set to naman. So serving, Layson. Talainod from middle. Tagum brother.
And KA1. Talainod, Rainbow Wakandas 2. Ayun! The ball is unclear. Nice service. Team captain of Talainod.
Artilahon.
It's a
Isilidab.
good big by
Lacabert.
Corsi. Number 8.
Tagum will give a free ball.
Diba, I told you, it's the battle of the world. It's outside.
Team captain. Oliver.
So how it's on the floor according to the first referee. The ball was on the floor. Service according to our first referee. So
Royo will attack.
check po ang completion. Yes lang po. We are here to play the game. Please
Talainod.
po.
Royo will attack from the left.
A good
Lakers
player
there.
is always a sports one. No matter how and what will be the result, we have the referee to have the decision. Okay.
Team serving 5. Talainod. Lacaberte. Isilidab. Royo.
It's away and there was 5 for Talainod and 4 for RPBA.
Lacaberte.
Inside!
A nice answer from Talainod.
Respetuhin po natin ang desisyon ng ating referee.
Kahit mali.
It's a beautiful.
Players in
Shut
danger.
up!
So respect is what we need.
Shut up!
Royo. Isilidab.
Kabalo sa mali ang
Lacaberte.
referee. Kuhan.
Lacaberte hits the ball again. first
Tabo.
ball. Nice. It's John! Jersey number 8.
He's so biased. He's so biased.
We are all players.
Kahit wrong ang call sa
And
referee,
we know that
he
our
will consider it that it's
players
okay, it's
decide
not okay. It's
and
unfair
give
to the
the
players.
decision. So please, being the players,
Shut up!
we need to respect the players.
Respect the
And the
players, not
referee.
the referee. So, taka-taka.
Time out. Let's go.
8 for Talainod and
You must
4
learn how to
for
stand.
RPBA.
Para makorek ko na sila.
Substitute. Jersey number 10, Fernandez. Tago. Loyo. Freedom block.
Skill.
Talainod. Luca Berte.
It's a block. Score 6 RPBA 8 Rainbow Wakandas.
Service from Royal. Talainod will attack. Balik. Serving. Tago. Hindi mo free ball. Talainod. From the middle. Libero score. Royal. Royal.
Buhay kang bola.
From the middle.
It's a net violation. 8-all.
Boy are now tied in the set number 2.
Line referee ba? Line referee.
For reception from Talainod.
Napalakas ang palo.
For reception again from Talainod. Artilahon.
It's a check ball for RPBA.
For reception again from
Rainbow
Talainod.
Wakandas. Inside.
And the start. He scores. Now serving Luca Berte for Talainod. From the middle, it's Hanley. Espanola. Isilidad. Artilahon will answer. Free ball given by Talainod. Magto will attack from the middle. Isilidad. Espanola attack from the right.
It's a lead by number 4 off. 10 off.
For reception. Corridor will attack. Isilidad for Talainod. Talainod with free ball. Artilahon will attack on the right. Tinulak na. Toyo will attack on the back. Isilidad will attack on the Talainod on the middle.
Bola ng RPBA.
Isilidad by Wakandas.
It's a block. 11 for RPBA. 10 for Wakanda. Rainbow Wakanda. Scores.
Espanola from Talainod, Wakandas. From the middle. Coverage is there. Isilidad by Royo. Tago will attack.
It's a hit by jersey number 21. 12 for RPBA. 11 Rainbow Wakandas. Now serving Nondi Magto.
Want to play?
It's a 12. It's under.
RPBA Tago.
Hindi na away, Matt.
Easy receive. Strong attack ni Tago and Talainod, Rainbow, Wakandas. Artilahon receive it. Roy will attack.
13 Rainbow Wakandas. 14 for RPBA Sagon.
Now serving for RPBA Tago, jersey number 1, Gil.
Serving.
It's normal for the players playing this Tago. Roy will attack. Milan.
It's a check ball.
Point for Tago. Now serving, jersey number 18 for Tago.
It's 16 RPBA. 14 Talainod.
Still Tago. Ball and Fernandez.
Ila, 20?
Good reception. Tago will attack. Artilahon!
17 for RPBA.
Mali, mali,
for
mali, mali,
Rainbow
mali,
Canvas.
mali.
It's a 2-point lead for RPBA Tagu. Talaningon, ilang back from the left. Talaingon,
17 for RPBA, 16 for Talaingon, Rainbow Wakanda.
good service from Lacaberte. Coverage is there for Ilogon. He will attack again. Coverage is there for Tagu. Artinahan will attack on the right.
Napalakas ang hit. 18 RPBA, 16 Rainbow Wakandas.
Wakanda sa attack.
It's a violation for
Serving for Talaingon, Espanyola.
ang higpit ng labanan. Ayun. Nice rescue coming from Julio.
Still serving Espanyola. Jersey number 8, Magdo.
The team captain of RPBA.
To tie this set number 2,
19-0.
for reception. Koyo will attack from the back. Easily down by Lacaberte. 1-2 play.
Ayun.
And wait!
Score 20 Rainbow Wakandas, 19 RPBA. It's away. It's now serving jersey number 21 of RPBA.
Talaingon will attack from the left.
Yun, pinalo ni Eric Fernandez.
Better reception. Koyo will attack.
It's a hit coming from
21 all. Dikit na dikit po ang ating labanan for this set number 2. Lacaberte. Lakad is there. Coverage is there for Tagun. And for Talaingon, and they will give a rebound. So serving G for RPBA Tagun. Lacaberte will attack.
It's outside of RPBA 7-3.
Poor reception from Talaingon. He will attack from the right. Easily down. Koyo will attack. Lakad is there. But the cover of the bar is there.
The ball was restored again. Second, the referee's decision.
Number 16, Oliver. Koyo will attack.
It's away! And no check ball! 23 all!
Oliver.
23 all! Rainbow Wakandas.
Poor reception from Tagun. Kailangan ng attack. Pinulak, Lakers is there. Koyo will attack. 24 all.
Yes.
It is 7-2. Lacaberte will attack from right. Lakers there, back coverage. Adi will attack again. Coverage is there. Koyo will attack. Section from the middle. Koyo.
That brings the score of 26 for RPBA for our set number 2.
Now serving jersey number 21, Ilogo from Tagu. Lacaberte. Still serving jersey number 21. Want to play?
Ayun na naman, gumay.
Talaingon, Rainbow Wakandas. From the middle. Coverage is there for Talaingon. Lacaberte. Lakad is there. Free ball given by Talaingon. Koyo will attack.
For Rainbow Wakandas.
Now serving jersey number 1, G from Tagu. From the middle.
Grabe na.
Slow to the blocker. Artilahon.
Away!
Talaingon. Nakaberte yung latak. Isinigab with the libero. Tago. Royo latak.
It's a good hit coming from Asian.
Now serving for Tago, number 18 on Telebano. Number 15. Blocker is there. Ulat agad.
Ayun! The ball was not received from the floor. The three, for the second time.
Good reception. From the middle. Isigidag. Jersey number 8, Dixon. Isigidag by Tago. Royo. Soft attack won't work. Isigidag by Tago. Royo will attack again.
It's a block!
But the coverage is there from Tago. They will attack again. Talaingon.
It's a what? A violation coming from RPBA. From the players, but yung nasa net, hindi natin nakikita yun. Only the referees can do it.
Saved by Talaingon.
Ball is good. Now,
Royo.
it's out!
Concerning kasi kakapasiya kapag anawin mo ang placement sa bola.
Good serve. Wilson will attack for Talaingon. Isigidag by Tago. Artilahon. 3 to
Si number 2.
Better reception ng Talaingon. They will attack on the right. Espanyol na. Isigidag by Royo. Artilahon will attack again.
It's a check ball.
And off the hands of the blockers of Talaingon. Another good serve from the middle. It's a smash down from Montares in the middle. Artilahon.
Away! According to our line judge. 6 all.
Another good serve. Artilahon will attack.
It's a monster block, right?
Yes, it's a jersey number 50, jersey number 8, 5 Espanyol. Ilogo will attack.
Ayun. Net violation.
Jersey number 2, Artilahon. For reception.
Yun.
Saved by Tago.
May pambola.
Talaingon will attack. Easily down by the setter. Royo will attack on the back.
It's
Lacy will attack. Easily down by Royo.
It's a score for Wakanda sa
Better reception from Tago. Ilogo will attack. Easily down. Lacy will attack on Talaingon.
It's Layson.
Yeah, Layson.
Already Wakandas.
And for Talaingon, it's a 2-point lead goal for Talaingon. Wakandas. Ilogo will attack again. Easily down.
It's 8 RPBA, 9 for Rainbow Wakandas.
Magto. Fernandez will attack. Back by Royo. Saved by Ilogo. And they will give a free ball. Binalik ng Talaingon. 1-2 play for Jill. Did it work? At ayun.
Minulog again, but it's a score for Talaingon. Wakandas 8 for RPBA, Sagong City.
Ilogo will attack on the right.
It's a check ball by
From the middle, binalik.
Score for RPBA.
21 from RPBA Tago. Lacoberte.
It's outside. Score for Rainbow Wakandas 11-10 RPBA, Sagong City.
Jersey number 16, Oliver. Royo will attack. Off the hands. Coverage is there. Lacoberte. Coverage is there for Talingon. Top of the middle. Tabon na will attack.
It's an attack coming from
G. Good reception. Española.
you. A good win coming from Espanola. Jersey number 5. That's 11 for RPBA.
Good reception for Talingon. Royo will attack. And
Nakakita ng bala. 12 off.
Montiliban. Better reception for Talingon. Anak ng Bunitan.
It's
Attack arrow committed by Talingon. Another good reception. Attack from the red.
an attack by Monares at Black by 14. RPBA 12. Rainbow Wakanda.
That time Talingon. Nice service. Ultramarket attack.
Ayun! Linis!
Jersey number 2, Luca Berte.
Emerging.
Royo will attack on the middle. Operation play. Blockers are there to slow down.
16 for RPBA, 13 for Tala Ingon.
Serving Royo. Attack on the middle.
It's a hit coming from
Española. Española. And now serves. Good serve.
It's Nondi Magtos. Crossing violation. Wakanda, 16 for RPBA. It's outside.
Want to play? Isigang Peroyo. Mounting attack.
It's inside.
Absolute support.
Better reception from Talingon. You attack from the right. Blockers are there.
Cross violation again. 19 for RPBA, 15 for Rainbow Wakanda.
Tapo.
It's an error.
Ang dili mo sungog ba?
Good serve. Ilago will attack. Isilidang. Bola ko Berte. Push.
Oy!
Okay.
21 for RPBA, 16 for Rainbow Wakanda.
Now serving for Tagum, Team Captain Magdo. Got the reception of Tokandas. Back from the middle.
It's a check ball. 17, Rainbow Wakanda. 21, RPBA Tagum City.
Got the reception. Back from the middle. Isilidang by Talingon. Luka Berte will attack. Ilogon, push.
It's a violation coming from RPBA.
3-point lead for RPBA Tagum. Royo will attack from the back. Off the
And it's a check ball coming from Jersey.
Wow!
better reception. Talingon will attack from the middle.
Check ball by Montiliban on the
Number 3.
nice service coming from Ray Valenzuela. A quick. 23 RPBA, 19 Rainbow Wakanda.
Better reception of Talingon. Luka Berte will attack from the right.
It's a check. 20 for Wakandas, 23 for RPBA.
Kulit dalawa na lamang ang kailangan to end the
It's a waste. 24.
It's a championship point for RPBA Tagum. Now serving jersey number 18.
It's a waste.
Tagum will attack. Royo.
It's again for RPBA. Congratulations, RPBA.
And that ends our championship match for LGBTQ play between RPBA Tabung and Palaihod Rainbow Wakandas. Very high quality game.
Thank you very much, Guapo Amdula sa LGBT. Congratulations, RPBA, the champion, and second, or first runner-up, Palaihod. Hanggang sa sunod na mga game, sa pagkakaroon, bye-bye, everyone, God bless, thank you for watching.